Welcome friends, welcome to Online Learning Box, and this is another quick video tutorial for how to beautify any image. See, this is a image of lady and this is pimple. So this is another quick video tutorial how to remove this pimple with say seconds. Okay, so for removing this pimple we have a lots of technique, but now I am showing you for the spot healing brush tool. So this is spot healing brush tool and I have to decrease this proportion. Okay, and now sorry, what I need to do, this is your pimple sector, and take a snapshot, click alter from your computer screen, take a screenshot. Okay, take a screenshot, don't show, continue, take a screenshot from here, from this sector, and drag it here, another spot. So understand this, take a screenshot from here, hold alt and this, press it one time here, take a another screenshot and press close third bracket, take a screenshot. Okay, alt button, press alt button and hold it and take a screenshot, press it and then okay. What happened here, when I am taking a screenshot from there, the Photoshop take the informations of screen color and put it here. Okay, this is the logic behind it, and look, the pimple is vanished. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and till then stay tuned, and if you like this video please give a thumbs up for me, and it's really give me a inspirations. Thank you.